Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am in my bathroom right now because we are testing out the Lashliner magnetic eyelash system. It's a eyeliner that is actually magnetized, and then you just stick the eyelashes right on there and voila, you're done. So these are all over Instagram, all over Facebook. It's another Instagram/Facebook made me buy it. And we're gonna see if these things work, and we're gonna put it to the test. So wanna see if it works? Stay tuned and let's do this. Okay, so mine actually just came in the mail. I haven't even opened it yet. We are gonna open it right now and see what it looks like. They did send an email saying that their original packaging, they ran out of it. And so they were sending it in a different tube. In fact, it just says this right here, new bottle, don't worry, because it is the real patent pending Lashliner magnetic eyeliner, but due to high demand, they were not able to get their normal silver bottles out as fast as needed. And so the benefit is you get 25% more magnetic eyeliner, which if you look at this, it's not really that big. So this is 25% more. You're not really getting very much. And these are expensive. They're $55, and you can see $55. It does come in this cool little package. All right, so my mirror's over here. I am going to attempt, I wasn't gonna do this today because it just came in the mail, but so I do have eyeliner on already and mascara. So hopefully this isn't gonna interfere with that. Okay, so it's basically like your standard sort of liquid liner brush. And let's just put this on. It feels thick. Allow to dry for 1 to 2 minutes until the liner is not wet but is just a little tacky to the touch. Gently hold the lash with the magnets toward the eyeliner to magnetically connect the lashes to the eyeliner. Once the lash is in the position you like, gently push down on the lash to firmly hold it in place. When dry, the lashes are not as repositionable, and you will need to touch up your liner if you take them off and put them back on. So they're basically saying don't screw up when you put it on, because if you do, you're gonna have to take all your eye makeup off and redo it. I don't know if I need to clip these or not too, because my eye isn't that big. Oh, okay, so it's like 2 right next to each other here, 2 here, and 1 in the middle. So there's actually 5 on here, but I can't cut that off because then it will not stick. I don't know how I feel about this. All right, let's put this on. On the videos, they show it like kind of sticking on like a magnet, you know? And these are way too big. I have to cut these, and I'm afraid to cut them because I feel like it's not gonna stick. But maybe that's why there's 2 at each end, so that you can cut off one of them if you need to and leave the other one there. Okay, I'm just cutting off one on the inside, one of the magnets. Try this again. Sticking to my eyelashes where I got the stuff on it. I mean, you can see it though, like no, it's not even sticking in the center. You're supposed to like gently push it into place, and it's not sticking at all. This this is $55. Holy cow. Okay, I am back on another day and I'm gonna try using the little individual lashes to see if those kind of look better and can stay better. So I don't have any mascara on my upper eyes or the lash liner yet. The problem that I'm having with the actual band is that it's too wide for my eye, and so I had to cut it down, and when you cut it down you have to cut off one of the magnets, and I think that makes it less strong, reduces the strength of it sticking, and then I was having trouble with it lifting in the inner corner throughout the day after a couple hours. So, you know, when it comes to lashes, that's about the worst thing that can happen to you, is that they start lifting and you're out and all of a sudden you've got an eyelash sticking up like that. So I'm gonna try the lash liner and the individual little lashes, and we're gonna see if maybe those will stay on better and if it'll look better, because it really didn't look that great because it just abruptly cut off, so it didn't look natural. So we're gonna try it with the individual ones. What I'm actually ending up using is one of the ones that I actually cut off. I mean, they stick, but it just looks weird, and they're sticking together. Yep, this just doesn't work. They pulls them. When you stick it on, it actually pulls them together. And then it does this. 55 bucks, you guys. Yeah, it's not sticking. When you pull it on this side, it pulls up the other side. So now I've pulled up the outside, sticking the inside. I don't know. I think this is a huge bust. I'm gonna try one more thing. I'm going to go to the store and I'm going to get the Ardell magnetic lashes, and I'm gonna see if they will stick better than these. We'll be back. We're back, and I have the Ardell Double Demi Wispies, and it kind of looks like this. It's really thin, much thinner than these ones that I ordered. I mean, you can see the difference. They're a lot lighter, so maybe they will stay on. We're gonna see. So I still don't have any eyeliner on this side, and since this one has dried, I'm gonna have to apply more to try and get it to stick if this side works. So I'm gonna put some on. Yep, it's not sticking. I have the wrong side. Let's try a different one. You can see, like, I just did a half a one. Basically, it's a centimeter wide. And I put one here, and I put one here, and it does look like it's sticking. It does look like it's sticking. We're just gonna leave this today and see how it goes. I mean, quite honestly, I feel like this is so much more hassle than it's worth. Unless you can, let me give it this. If you don't have to trim them down, I think these would probably work well. Or if you have, you know, not so much of a curve on your eyes, because the curving, having to pull it down and pull down on this side lifts the other side up. It's just not strong enough to hold the magnet. And that's because I trimmed it. Maybe if there was 2 magnets on each side like they're made, it would stick, but those are too wide for me, and so I have to trim them. So for me, I would say it doesn't really work. It does work with the Ardell wispies, but those are cut in half as well. But it does seem to be working. I can feel it on my eye. And so I still am a much bigger fan of this and just the glue, but we're gonna give this a go all day and see what happens. All right, see you later. Okay, so I tried cutting these things in half. I tried just cutting the tiny bit of the end off. The only thing that I could remotely get to work is just an outer corner Ardell magnetic lash, and it worked okay yesterday. The eyeliner takes some work to get off. You kind of have to really rub to get it off. It does come off, but in my opinion, $55 for this, totally not worth it. It's just not worth the hassle. I was fidgeting with it for 3 days trying to get it to work, and so either my eyes are too curved or this just doesn't work at all. And then when you look down, you can see the whole thick band, and I don't like that look, which is why I like the wispies from Ardell, because they don't have a solid band. So it's just not my cup of tea. If you love it, I'm great that you love it. I wish it had worked for me. It just did not. So I hope you found this video helpful and informative, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up. It does help my channel so other people can see it, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you're notified of every video I post, which happens every Tuesday and Thursday. Otherwise, I hope you're having a great day, stay inspired, and I will see you in the next video. See you.